Hello everyone, it's Morgan. I'm starting my travel vlog. I am going to Las Vegas. I've never been there before. First thing we gotta do is pack. I haven't started packing yet, and the funny thing is I have basically zero time. It is 6:17 right now. I need to get a spray tan. The place closes at 8 o'clock and I need to drive home, which is like an hour and a half away because I'm flying out of that airport tomorrow morning. We have to leave at like 4 a.m. So I'm driving to the airport in less than 12 hours and I haven't started packing. But what is new? If you watch any other packing video I've done, this is how it always is. So maybe one day I'll get better, maybe not, whatever. Anyways, to film you in, I just opened all this stuff. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Shein specifically for my trip, which happened to come the day I need to drive home, the day before my trip. So everything is a little mess. My ring light's out because of course I made a haul out of it. But yeah, so at least I know what I like from the haul and I'm not going that long. Tomorrow's Thursday. We get there at like noon and then we leave Sunday night at like 7 p.m. So I need plain outfits. I need Thursday day, Friday day, Saturday day, Sunday day, but only Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night outfits, if that makes sense. So I don't even want to tackle this, but I guess I can get a suitcase. First things first, I probably need something to pack in. I'm flying Southwest, so I get a free checked bag, which is great. Okay, I just cleared my Shein stuff out of the way, put in a box that I'm probably gonna return. You should definitely watch that video, by the way. It'll be posted before this one anyways. I have a bunch of shirts that I'm probably gonna keep all here, and during the day, I think I'm mostly gonna wear jeans with cute, like, little tanks or tops. Okay, really. So I'm gonna grab all my favorite jeans out. Oh, wait, I forgot that I have leather pants. I think, like I said, during the day I'll mostly wear like jeans and like cute little tanks. So I have 2 blue jeans, 2 black jeans, and a pair of leather pants. Perfect. I think that's set for the pants. For tops, I have this really, oh, so cute one. I actually just got from Try Babe. And then I'm also gonna throw in all the little tops I just got from Shein. Normally when I'm packing, I would like plan out my outfits so that I don't overpack, but I don't really have time for that. So I will be overpacking today, but that's okay. I'm only there for a few days and I get a full checked bag, so we're fine. Cute. That should be all my daytime outfits. It's mostly gonna be like mid 60s, low 70s, except there is one hot day. So I have this cute little dress that I think I might wear the last day. All of our days are covered. We do need to get underwear and shoes, but that's fine. For nighttime, I have a jumpsuit I'll bring. My 21st birthday dress, I might as well bring that. How fun and Vegas-y is this? And then there's actually 2 dresses I did like from Shein, so I'm gonna pack those. This little like cinchy one, brown, so cute. And then I have also this like leathery dress I really liked. You can't really see now, but I promise it's cute. Amazing. I need stuff to sleep in. 2 t-shirts to sleep in. I just threw a swimsuit, bras, and underwear in here, and I'm like literally stressing. Like my mind is going a million miles per minute, and I wish I could say this is entirely my fault that I'm packing so last minute, but honestly, okay, wait, in the end it definitely is. The clothes that I ordered didn't get here till today, but it is my fault. I could have ordered them earlier. I was trying to figure out a way not to blame it on me, but it's all my fault, so it's fine. I need jackets though, because it's gonna get kind of cold, but I just, honestly, I don't know what jackets to bring. I think I'll bring my favorite leather jacket, and then my brown shacket I've been obsessed with. I feel like between those 2, they have to match everything. I mean, I don't need like a hardcore jacket. It's not gonna be that cold. We have underwear. We have any type of bra that I could probably need. I have daytime outfits. I have nighttime outfits. I have jackets. Let's figure out the shoes. Oh gosh, I didn't want to figure out the shoes. I know we're gonna be walking a lot, so I don't want to bring shoes that suck. Honestly, I think what I'm gonna do, which I've done this before, is pack too much, and then when I get home, I'm gonna think it through again when I have a little bit more time before bed to really pick everything. So right now, I'm gonna go crazy on the shoes and literally just take them all, grab them all. For example, here's 2 different pairs of nude shoes I'll bring. I also really want to bring these fun ones. I also feel like I might need slides throughout the day. Like if I'm going to eat breakfast, is that a casual thing? Am I always dressed up? I literally have no idea. I don't know how this works at all. So I'm also gonna bring a backpack for my carry-on. So I think I'm gonna do this nice leather backpack because I'm not gonna carry much on the plane. But as far as going out, I think I'm gonna do this little black purse because it should match just about every outfit. And as much as I love purses, I can't bring my entire purse collection. That's just not realistic. So I think I'm gonna do this, especially because then I don't need to bring a whole wallet, and I'm nervous about like things getting stolen. So that's a pretty secure purse. I think we can do that. It looks like I literally just made a bigger mess instead of making any progress, but I swear it looks like I actually, okay, but I swear I made some progress. making progress. We're looking okay. Just threw my shoes in here. I called a friend because I was freaking out. Now I think I'm just gonna throw all my makeup in my little like travel thing. I need jewelry and toiletries. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Makeup, jewelry, check. Next, I did buy some toiletries from Target yesterday, but this isn't everything, so I should just lay everything out so that I can kind of check it off before I pack it. I'm also gonna bring a mirror, because you just never know. You just never know if you're gonna need a mirror, right? Gotta hide it in there so it doesn't break. Okay, we have a travel-sized moisturizer. We have a travel-sized face wash. Amazing. I'm gonna want a brush. I'll bring this. I feel like I can't need too much from here, though. Ooh, this for out of the shower. I can't live without that. And now this is the part where I did indeed not finish packing before I need to get a spray tan. It's 7:15. I still need to shower before I get a spray tan, and Suntan City closes at 8. It's 15 minutes away. I'm gonna jump in the shower really quick and get a spray tan and then finish packing and then drive an hour and a half home because I suck. I'm struggling. Okay, back for my spray tan. Let's get this done. Okay, to shower, we have body wash, shampoo and conditioner, we have face wash, we have moisturizer. Deodorant, I will brush my hair. This helped me brush my hair. This goes in my moisturizer. This and dry shampoo for doing my hair. I brought sunscreen. We have a little loofah. Makeup remover wipes. I know we don't like to use wipes, but it's honestly for traveling, it's just easiest. I will bring a razor, sun balm chapstick. What was I just thinking of? Perfume and lotion. Oh no, I can't forget that. Let's do this perfume. We'll just do the whole keep the legs tan. Toothpaste, toothbrush. Oh my gosh. Not me just running everywhere. Okay, I have everything to wash my face and go to bed, to shower and to do my hair, to brush my teeth. I should be good. What I have to remember too, it's like if I really forgot something important, there's one, other girls there, and two, stores that I can borrow, use, buy, whatever. So it's like as long as I have clothes to wear, a purse to carry around, you know, my ID, I'll be fine. And my electronics, that's something I really need to remember to pack everything. Laptop, iPad, headphones, obviously camera, SIM card, battery, hard drive, adapter, camera charger, laptop and iPad charger. Oh, I wanted to bring a little sleep mask for the plane in case I sleep. Okay, I'm at a standstill. I feel like I'm good. Okay, I think we need to do a final run through. I have a plain outfit. I have any daytime outfit I could think of with all the shoes, all the underwear, all the bras, all the jewelry. I have any nighttime outfit as well. Same thing goes. I have a swimsuit. I have any socks and underwear. I have stuff to sleep in. I have a second plain white outfit. I have 2 jackets, 3 jackets even. I might get rid of one. I have makeup remover, face wash, toothbrush, moisturizer, hair stuff, dry shampoo, curling iron. I do have all my, ooh, an eyeshadow palette. Haha, I wanted to bring this. I have sunscreen, I have chapstick, I have lipstick. I have all my electronics, we just did that. Now for on the plane, I'll bring a sleep mask, I'll bring the neck pillow. I'll probably just bring my iPad, I have headphones. Blue light glasses, I have those, they're in my purse. I have a charger for my phone, aside from all the other chargers I have. I feel like that's it. I feel like that's it, you know? If it's not, well, doesn't matter. I'm literally gonna be gone half of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, half of Sunday. That equates to 3 total days. Like, I need to just figure it out and stop freaking out. I also do like a little quick scan around my room. I'm like, okay, do I have everything I need out of there? Yes, okay, cool. Do I have everything I need out of there? Probably, all right. Everything out of there? Yeah, like, okay, well, we gotta be fine, right? Do last little closet walkthrough. I got a purse. I got pants. I don't need any of these shoes. Like, I should be good. This is seriously ridiculous. I'm not even gonna be gone that long. But it's okay, because my plan is when I do get to my hometown, which I'm about to leave to go drive to, gotta drive for an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna kind of re-go through things and take things out that I don't need and just kind of leave them at home until we come back. Okay, let's go. We're doing better. I removed a whole bag of things out of my suitcase, so it's much more roomy. It's a little more planned. Got the stuff ready for tomorrow. Just repacking my carry-on. However, one thing, I was literally like 20 minutes away from home and I realized I forgot a belt. So I put my pants in the dryer in hopes that they would get tighter.
You could just get fatter.
No. I literally have to wake up at like 3:45 in the morning to wash my spray tan off. What time is it right now, do you know? It's 11:38. Good morning, it's 4 a.m. I just hopped in the shower to rinse off my spray tan, which isn't even that dark. I swear it usually looks darker. Anyways, I'm not even tired. Like, you think I'd be a zombie right now? Like, I went to bed at, you know, what, 12:30? No, I feel like I was like, hey, pretty good nap. Let's carry on the day. Even though that was sleep and we're starting the day, it just doesn't feel that way. So let's zip her up and get on the road. You can't tell, but it's busy as frick.
C22?
Sure. I just follow. I don't know where we're actually going. Okay, security, very busy, didn't film in there. We're walking to the gate. Oh, I always get patted down at the airport. This time, though, it wasn't me, it was him. Cute, dude. Whatever. Got my giant security water bottle. We have made it. We are on the plane.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please hold on to your coats and jackets until to the end of boarding.
Okay, the lack of footage, it's literally been so busy. Everyone is probably like going crazy now that the vaccine's out, so there's a lot of people. But we do have a layover. We're stopping in Denver, so we're leaving at 6. We land at 7:45 their time. We landed in Denver, Colorado. I did in fact sleep the entire plane ride, which was amazing. So we have a layover and let's get coffee. Hey. These things are just so cool, don't you think?
You're headed to Orlando.
Ooh. I got an eggle.
I mean, that whole neighborhood's incredible too.
Looks good.
I had to drive a patient off.
Looks kind of scary. Eggle is great.
Thanks for letting us know.
I wasn't really letting you know, but you can't help but look, you know. We board soon. Pretty excited. Gonna edit on the next plane. I'm awake, so no more sleeping. Got a coffee, but I'm scared of airplane bathrooms, so hopefully it doesn't make me have to pee. But we're doing great. Flight number 2. We stop in Reno, then we land in Vegas. Dude, we got a big plane. It's way bigger than the last one. So is it literally that we land and then we wait on the plane? That's how this works? Next stop, we get up in the air. We touch down in Reno. We don't change planes. We wait. We take off. We Vegas. It's a verb now. We Vegas. And we have really great lighting here.
That's the most fun part.
Right? Cold press from Caribou. Very good. About to edit my Shein haul. Watch it. Everyone's actually been telling Abby that they love her. How cute! We have landed in Reno. Oh, that's exciting. Next stop is Vegas.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Did I say you could have checked me?
Yeah. Okay. Cute. Ew. There we go. Wow, that was great. Outfit shot. That's gonna have to do. This jacket I wear every single day of my life these days.
Memphis flight crew Service Drawings would like to welcome you to Las Vegas. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain pulls the aircraft up to the gate.
Oh, we should go down here. Oh, it's in our hotel?
That's amazing. Vegas, baby. Ooh. Pretty darn cool.
Some bags.
Let's claim some bags. That's huge. That's wild. Right? Wow. Las Vegas.
Once again, please take the time to the name tag to ensure
Yeah.
the correct luggage. Uber, Lyft.
This is literally just everyone waiting for Ubers right now. It's wild. Nice. Cool. We are here. We are in Vegas. We got to Vegas. We got in our room. I'll show you like a little tour. We have moved in though, so it is pretty messy. We have this nice little mirror, you know, to check out all our outfits. Bathroom is behind here too. This is the door. It's kind of cool. And then we just have, you know, typical room. Jackpot? Sure. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, it is messy. Our view, you know, pretty freaking spectacular. That was sarcastic, by the way. I mean, it's kind of cool the building's up there, but there's really nothing special over here. But yeah, we made it here. I am actually gonna end the vlog here. Number one, you can't really have cameras in casinos and stuff. And number two, we're just gonna disconnect and just have fun with the friends, you know? So I would love to take you along, but for this trip, this is where it's gonna stop. But thank you for watching. I'm happy we got to pack together and I took you along through the travels because honestly, that part is fun. I love airports. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please leave this video a like if you liked it and a comment and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you in my next video.